Hello? Hey there! You must be the new night guard. Well, welcome to Aaron's Diner, a place full of fun and entertainment. I'm Aaron, the owner of this place, and I will be here to guide you on your adventure. Now, first thing first, you have been supplied with a flashlight and an Aaron mask. The reason for the Aaron mask is because, well, the animatronics have been kind of aggressive towards the staff lately. It's just like ever since that one incident where like a bunch of kids broke into this place and tampered with the animatronics, they've been acting very aggressive towards the staff. I mean, they get along with the kids just fine, it's just every time they look at a staff member, they just stare. Yeah, and the reason I am worrying about you is because they are allowed to roam at night. It's just because if they don't, then they will be unusable because they will glitch out so much to the point where their endoskeletons start, breaking down. So we don't want that to happen, so we let them free roam at night. So if one of them does enter into your office, just put on the Aaron mask. Some of them use the vents as well, so keep an eye out for that. Anyways, back to business. We are doing business. Sorry. Anyways, if you go onto the prize counter camera, I forgot which cam that was, but I'm sure you'll find it. But there should be a music box, and inside the music box is an animatronic that was taken from an old pizzeria. And that animatronic likes music so much to the point where if you don't keep it going, the animatronic will come after you. So just keep the music box wound up, alright? So throughout all that, there's really nothing to worry about. I think that's it. Oh yeah. Have you been getting like rumors about this place? Because if you have, then it's all messed up. It's all made up. Don't worry. This place ain't haunted, alright? Sure, the animatronics are acting strange, but this place is barely anything to worry about. So next time you hear one of those rumors, if you've heard them before, then just ignore them. They're stupid and fake. Alright, that should be it. I haven't really got anything else to say, so make sure to put on the mask when the animatronics are in the room. Keep the music box wound up, and you should be good to go. Alright, bro. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. person out on the job. I'm pretty sure you know about the older models sitting in the back room. Those were from the previous location, but now we just use it for parts. But we were going to repair them, but they were kind of hard to repair, so we decided it was best for them to just stop. Yeah. But man, I really love those old characters. Did you ever see Evil Layton? Oh wait, Evil Layton. Oh yeah, Evil Layton. For some reason that one's a little bit twitchy. I don't think the Aaron head trick will work on Evil Layton. If for some reason he activates during the night, if you see him standing at the front of the hall, just flash your light at him from time to time. Because, unlike the rest of the old models, Evil Layton was more glitchier, so, yeah. If you flash a light at him, it should not only hold him in place for some time, which means he'll be frozen, but it also should, like, make him go into a reset mode, where he will, like, go back to his original spot. So, yeah, that's some good news for you. Oh yeah, as a reminder, don't forget to wind the music box. I'll be honest, that Roblox man thing is very creepy. It's always staring. And not like the others too. His stare is like more creepier and more threatening. So just don't forget to wind the music box. Yeah. I forgot to mention last night that the animatronics will become more active as the week progresses. So, yeah. Anyways, I think you know what to do now. I'm gonna let you go because, yeah, you need to focus. So, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow night, alright? Alright, see ya. Night 3! Congratulations! Okay dude, so tonight is where it's gonna start getting real. Because the older models that I was talking about yesterday, yeah, they're active. But good news is, unlike Evil Layton, the older models are actually, well, the other older models, they are actually fooled by the Aaron mask. So you should be able to use that against them. But remember, you still gotta flash Evil Layton, because he's not fooled by the mask. Okay, and just to let you know, I think you might have found out last night that the little hand guy in the game area, or whatever it was called, yeah, he's active as well. But he's also fooled by the mask, so don't worry about that. So all you have to do is, when you see him in the vent, just put on the mask for a little bit, and then he'll eventually wander off. Okay? Alright. Okay, I think you got it. And as another reminder, keep the music box wound up, because we don't want Roblox man getting out. Yeah. Anyways, bro, that's all I had to say. So, good luck, and, yeah, I'll speak to you tomorrow night. Alright, good night. way to Nightfall. I'm very impressed. Listen, dude. Things have been going very wrong during the daytime. You see, remember when I said the animatronics were acting aggressive towards the staff? Well, today was just the last straw. So I think we should close for a few days, just to see what's going on. But yeah, enough of what's going on during the day. I just want to say, you've been doing very well during the night. Seriously, bro, you're on Nightfall. Jeez. Well, keep up the good work, my man.
Hello.
You are going to make it. I believe it. Okay, dude, but I do need to say that things are going to get really real tonight, because the animatronics are going to be coming at you a lot quicker and a lot faster. But knowing the fact that you survived it this far, I'm pretty sure I know you can do it. Yeah, so yeah, anyways, that's all I wanted to say. And yeah, you're almost there, my man. Keep up the good work. Alright, bro. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Good night. hello? Hello? Hey, dude, you did it! You made it to night 5! Congratulations! Ugh, I bet you're really feeling tired right now. Can't say I blame ya. If I was the one who was dealing with all the animatronics for a whole week, I suppose I'd feel the same. But don't worry, bro. After this night, you can just relax. Oh boy. But I recommend you be really careful this night, because all the animatronics, yeah, they're not playing around. They are really gonna come get you now. They're being very serious. So, yeah, just be careful. Yeah, so all you have to do right now is make it through one more night, and yeah. But you know, you survived 4 nights. I know you can survive this one. Alright, bro. I'm gonna go. So, yeah. Enjoy your last night on the job. Alright, bro. Good night, and good luck.